masks, and a wide range of other protective gear. With today's announcement, Canadian Tire says that it will also make its supply chain available to the healthcare industry to help move products right across the country. 2 new cases of COVID-19 have been reported in a downtown East Side shelter, prompting fears of an outbreak that could devastate a vulnerable population. CTV News has confirmed that 2 new cases have been discovered in Harbor Light Shelter on Cordova Street. Despite fears, downtown East Side streets are still busy. A biotech company that's working on a treatment says that human trials could start as soon as July. Vancouver-based Abcelera was the first company in North America to receive a blood sample from a patient who recovered from the virus. So far, it's managed to isolate around 500 antibodies from that sample. It's hoped that one of those will lead to a drug to treat or prevent COVID-19 infections. The company's CEO says that the process known as antibody therapy is much quicker than the vaccine process. While politicians and public health officials are begging people to stay home this long weekend to help stop the spread of COVID-19, but that didn't stop travelers from flocking to ferry terminals today. Despite significantly reduced service, BC Ferry says that it has seen a spike in traffic ahead of the Easter long weekend, leaving many people wondering why people don't seem to be getting the message. And joining us live now is the mayor of Gibsons, Bill Beamish. Bill, thanks for being here for us tonight. Now, we've all seen the video of the ferry lineups. What concerns do you have specifically regarding the Sunshine Coast this Easter long weekend?
Norma, thank you. Thank you very much for the opportunity to speak. The Chief Medical Officer, Bonnie Henry, has asked people to stay in their communities. For the most part, as I see on Sunshine Coast, I went down to the ferry tonight about 5 o'clock to watch the 420 ferry unloading, and I could see campers and pickups and cars with kayaks and cars with car carriers unloading off that ferry. And I saw a lane and a half of people leaving the Sunshine Coast, which shows me that I believe that most of our people are honoring the request of the Chief Medical Officer and staying home, staying in the community. One of the concerns I have here in Gibsons is we have one of the highest average populations of seniors in the province.
Right.
Seniors, as you know, are the high-risk category to become sick at this time.
Absolutely.
We have care homes, we have seniors who are shopping, seniors who are in the community, and we just don't want to put them at risk needlessly.
Right, and now I understand that this is typically the weekend that a lot of people choose to go and open up their vacation properties for the spring and summer season. Do you believe that they make up a lot of the traffic that you're seeing, and do you think that it's possible that they just don't even realize that even going to their second home may not be the greatest idea right now?
I think that's possible. I have had a couple of emails from people who have kind of questioned or request that people stay away. They say that they are investors on the coast, they have property on the coast, they just want to come over and check them out. But at this time, there are people who also have property elsewhere in British Columbia who live on the coast, and they're staying home, and we just really appreciate it. I understand the interest in doing that. There will be a time. We don't have any evidence that properties are being in any jeopardy at this time.
Right.
The weather's been great here, and please just stay away.
All right, and as we leave you, I think you just summed it up, but once again, what's your message to everyone that's out there watching tonight?
Well, if you're planning to visit, please do not come now. Not today or not this weekend, not until the medical health officer tells us that it's safe for us all to travel again. We look forward to your visit and to the time when we'll all be able to visit our friends and families in other parts of the province. We all need to work together to keep everybody safe and to keep our community safe. Please come another time.
And that is from the home of the Beachcombers, the world-famous Gibsons, the Mayor, Bill Beamish. Thank you so much for joining us tonight and staying up.
Thank you very much. Good night.
Good night.
Coming to you on a dusty road.
Well, normally she sings about joining a conga line, but we can which we can't do, but we can certainly get behind this Kitsilano singer. More from our very own Gloria Estefan straight ahead. But first, our focus on mental health continues tonight with a big boost from the government. Where to turn to for help next.